Hey everyone, I'm Gelson and I would like to welcome you to our Facebook page. Today is a very special video of an unboxing of the Suso Pure Today is a very special video of an unboxing of the Suso Pure Hydrogen Water Maker from South Korea, which is distributed globally by JM International. Are you wondering what's inside? That's what this unboxing video is for. So first, we start off with the box. As you can see, it's very durable and it's very portable. It was designed this way so that you can bring along your unit anywhere you are. So that wherever you are, you can load up on the world's most powerful antioxidant, which is hydrogen. Come on, let's see what's inside. So we turn this one, okay. First, we remove the safety packaging. First, I bring out the pitcher or the container. Okay, so as you can see, this pitcher-like container, this is where we put the potable water, and then through advanced electrolysis that happens at the bottom of the container, when it comes into contact with, I bring up the next stuff, this one, the base. Okay, so when the bottom of the pitcher comes into contact with the base, okay, and then you plug it in using this adapter because this is an electrical device. Okay, so you put it there. Okay, so through the advanced electrolysis, okay, I'll bring it up again. Through advanced electrolysis, hydrogen is added into the water by removing excess oxygen. The extra oxygen goes inside this chamber or the handle. However, when this oxygen is released into the environment, it turns into ozone. That's why it's not environmentally safe. That's why the Suso is a very advanced unit in such a way that it blocks the oxygen from being released into the environment by this very special filter. Okay? So not only are you safe, you're also posing no danger to the environment whatsoever. And by the way, this is not glass. This is not ordinary plastic. This is the special material called Triton copolyester. Why was it used for the Suso Hydrogen Water Maker unit? It's because according to research, it's not glass, it's not plastic that is able to hold in the hydrogen in any processed water, in a water processed by advanced electrolysis. It's only Triton copolyester that is able to hold in the hydrogen into the water, meaning the hydrogen will not easily dissipate into the air. Remember, hydrogen is the smallest and lightest element. That's why if you use any ordinary container, it will just dissipate over time. But when you use Triton copolyester, it stays in the water for a very long time. That's why it was used, okay? And then next, I put out this one. We have here this special packet which contains the warranty card. Of course, when you buy any electronic or appliance, you have this warranty card similar with the Suso. And then we also have here the amazing user's manual. Okay, so it contains here all the information you need on how to operate the unit, when and how to clean the unit, as well as how to address some features, some difficulties you may encounter over time, just in case, okay? But this is the manual, okay? Everything you need is here. And of course, we also have this one, the citric acid salt, okay? This is used to clean this one, the unit, okay? So after, I don't know, 1 week, 2 weeks afterwards of using the unit, to keep it in optimal working condition, you have to clean it using the citric acid salt, okay? The instruction of how to use it is found in the user's manual, okay? And then, here also in the box is this very special brochure. Okay, it's about the Suso Pure Hydrogen Water Maker. But this is very special because it also contains different information about the power of hydrogen as the world's most powerful antioxidant. Okay, especially the history. What I love here with this brochure is the history of since when hydrogen was discovered to be a very powerful antioxidant and when it was first started to be used for its medicinal and therapeutic purposes. Okay? So that's about it. This is the unboxing of the Suso Pure Hydrogen Water Maker from South Korea. For succeeding videos, we will also be unboxing some of the more amazing and life-changing products of JM International.